In AD 43, just 10 years after the death of Jesus, the Romans invaded Britain. Within 5 years, they controlled most of the southwest. But here in Wales, the empire would struggle to overcome the fierce native tribes for another 3 decades. Relics of the Roman occupation survive to this day. Near the village of Caerwent lie the ruins of a military base once manned by 5,000 elite Roman troops. Close by are the remains of a great oval amphitheatre built around AD 90, where as many as 6,000 spectators would have witnessed brutal gladiatorial combat. The Romans would occupy Wales for over 3 centuries, from 78 AD to 383 AD. This is the first town they founded, Caerwent, near the southern city of Newport. Sections of the original 1st century wall still remain, some rising up to 17 feet high. It's one of the most perfectly preserved Roman fortifications in northern Europe. In the early 5th century, with the empire under attack by barbarian armies all over Europe, the Emperor Honorius withdrew his garrisons from Britain. And so ended Roman rule.